Hi, welcome to SIME. Today's question, what's the difference between copyright infringement and plagiarism? So both of these concepts deal with the theft of intellectual property, with the main difference being that copyright infringement is a violation of the law, while plagiarism is a violation of the policy of a particular organization, such as a school or an academic standard. Plagiarism is not always illegal, while copyright infringement is specifically a violation of the Copyright Act of 1976. That's the latest revision, although the Copyright Act is based on the copyright clause that is in the United States Constitution. So an example of this would be if your school requires you to write a paper that is entirely your own work. Well, you may use someone else's work in a manner that would not infringe upon the copyright, but that would violate the plagiarism standard because you're not allowed to use anything outside of yourself. Another example would be if for a paper you're allowed to use someone's work as long as you give the person credit. If the person's work is not copyrighted, then there's no way to infringe on the copyrights. So if you use the work, it wouldn't be a copyright infringement, but it would be a violation of the plagiarism policy. If the work is copyrighted, then simply acknowledging it as someone else's idea does not free you from copyright infringement. The Copyright Act also allows for certain uses that will not infringe upon copyright. These uses may be considered plagiarism by whatever standard a particular organization is using. SIME will be making a series of videos on copyright law and intellectual property, so be sure to check out our intellectual property playlist. If you'd like to see more educational and informative content from SIME, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can also find us on other social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links to those sites are in the description below. Thank you for watching.